Welcome back to Kungamna Chengeto 90, brought to you by Tixezo Media, episode 29. Who are you talking to? Startled, Jenaguru had looked back only to find his mother, who was never too far from him. I'm talking to Musiki. Maybe he'll hear me. His mother had enveloped him in a hug before leading him back to where the rest of the pack was. It was never safe after dark, for many evil beings roamed the land. Jenaguru had fallen asleep when he felt like cold water had been poured on him. He looked around wondering what had woken him up and when he heard the lions roaring outside their cave. Swiftly he got up and ran out and came face to face with a whole pride. Taking a step back, he came back against some resistance and looked up to see his father, as well as the rest of the men of their clan. His father's deep roar sounded before he asked, "Shumba, what do you want?" The largest lion stepped forward, and it was black with the biggest mane I have ever seen. "Guru, my daughter has been taken and we need your help." "Why? Are you not the same ones who mock our behinds and our faces? Now that your daughter is missing, you need our help?" "I know I have no right to ask." "You don't. But everyone else is too scared. She's been taken by Rima, and though our sight is excellent, there is no way we can climb the trees in time." Tune in tomorrow for more Kungamna Chengeto 90, brought to you by Tixezo Media.